Good morning, students. Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss question number 43. Let us see here question number 43. A truck covers a distance of 150 km at a certain average speed. Okay, and then covers another 200 km at an average speed which is 20 km per hour more than the first speed. If the truck covers the total distance, that is distance in 5 hours, find the first speed of the truck. Okay, let us see here this question how to solve. Let us see. Suppose we assume that a truck covers a distance of 150 km, that is from A to B. We assume that the distance was from A to B, that is equal to how much? The distance is equal to how much? Given that 150 km. So we assume this one 150 km from A to B. Again, at a certain average speed. The question is asking that at a certain average speed. I don't know the certain average speed. So we assume that the certain average speed, that is V1, we assume that is equal to X. We assume X kilometer per hour, the certain average speed from A to B. Okay. Again, and then covers another 200 km from B to C. The another 200 km from B to C. It was the 200 km from B to C at an average speed which is 20 km per hour more than the first speed. 20 km per hour more than the first speed. We assume that V1 is the first speed. This one V1 is a first speed. We already assume first speed, that is equal to X km per hour. The question asking here from B to C, 20 km per hour more than the first speed means the V2 will becomes 20 km more than, means X plus 20 km per hour. I hope you are able to follow me. Again, from here the question asking the first speed, if the truck covers the total distances in 5 hours, if the truck covers the total distances, this one the total distances, that will be equal to 150 plus 200 km, that is equal to 350 km per hour from in T time, that is equal to 5 hours. The total time taken by the truck to cover the full distance, that is from A to C, it will be equal to T equal to how much? T equal to 5 hours. So the question asking that find the first speed of the truck. The question asking find V equal to what? This one V1, that is X equal to X km per hour. We assume we have to find out the value of X. We know that the planning to solve this question is that we know that the distance from A to B is given and the speed that we assume. From here we can find the value of T1, the time taken by the truck from A to B, and the time taken by the truck from B to C, because V also given and the speed also distance also given, so we can find the value of T2 also. And as you add T1 plus T2, we get the value of T, that is equal to 5 hours. Okay, let us see. As you find the value of T1, we get how much? T equal to S by V. This one the formula. S, that is the distance. Distance is given how much? 150, and the speed we assume that is X km per hour. So T1 becomes 150 by upon X, that is in hour. Okay. And again, as you assume that T2, we have to find the value of T2 from here to here. The T2 also becomes S upon V. It will be distance. How much given the distance? That is 200 km, and the speed given how much? X plus 20 km per hour. So this one the T1 and this one T2. As you know, according to question, we can write according to question T1 plus T2 equal to T. From here to here, the T. So we can find the T1 from here 150 upon X and plus T2, that is equal to 200 upon X. It is equal to the value of T, that is given 5 hours. And you find, sorry, 1 minute, 200 upon X plus 20. Here not X, X plus 20. We find that there is an equation that we have to solve to find the value of X. So we have decided to solve this equation, and as you take the LCM, we find X into X plus 20 as a LCM, and as you multiply to this, we get how much? 150X plus 150 into 20, 15 to the 30, and there is a 20, 1020 plus 200 is to be multiplied by x becomes 200x, and as you equate this by 5 you get how much? You solve this equation to find the value of x. Here 150x and 200x becomes how much? It will becomes 300x plus 3000 upon x into x, that is equal to x square plus 20x, x into 20x, and it will be equal to 5. This implies that we can write 5x square plus 5 to the 10, 100x you can write. Okay, from here x square 20x, 5 to the 10, 100x, and from here as you multiply by cross multiplication we get how much? 300x plus 3000. Okay, I think you are able to follow me up to which. Okay, there is any mistake? I think yes. Here from 150x and here 200x it will become 350x. Okay, so you can write here 350x, not a 300x. So we write here 350x. 150x plus 200x, it will becomes how much? 350x, not 300x, plus 3000 divided by x square plus 20x equal to 5 by 1. Okay, I hope you are able to follow me. 5x square, 5 to the 10, that is, and 10 also, so 100x and 350x plus 300. Okay, as you take the 350x in the left side, we know that it will becomes negative 350x minus 3000 equal to 0. Okay, and from here 5x square and 350x minus 100x, sorry, here x left out, so we have to write 100x. As you subtract 100x minus 350x you get how much? 250x, and minus 3000 will be available also. As you divide by 5 you get x square minus 5 5 ja 25, 50x minus 5 6 ja 30, 5 6 ja 30, and 2 0 also available, and equal to 0. We know that as you multiply the 600 into x square you get how much? Minus 600 x square, and we have to arrange in such a way that we have to put here something that is equal to minus 50x. So we decided here that how much? Minus 60 plus 10. Okay, we decided to put minus 60 plus 10, sorry, 600 here, 600 x square, and as you multiply minus 60 into 10, minus 60x plus 10x you get how much? Minus 50x. Minus 60x plus 10x you will find minus 50x, but as you multiply minus 60 into 10 you get how much? Minus 600x square. Okay, so in place of minus 50x we put minus 60x plus 10x, and minus 600x will be there also. And as you take common x, what will you find? As you take a common x, you find x as a common, then there is a x will be remaining, and minus 60 will be also remaining. As you take plus 10 will be common, you find x minus 60 also be remaining equal to 0. And we know that x minus 60 and x minus 60 both are in both terms x minus 60 is common, so we take x minus 60 as a common, x minus 60 as a common, and x plus 10 will be remaining equal to 0. So x minus 60 equal to 0 and x plus 10 equal to 0. From there x equal to 60 and x equal to minus 10. We know that we assume here the speed, so our speed cannot be negative, so x does not equal to minus 10, and our answer is x equal to 60. So the speed, that is the first speed we assume, so the first speed will becomes how much? It will be equal to x equal to 60 kilometer per hour, and this is our answer. I hope you are able to follow me. Thank you very much.